Hi everyone, I am Anmol and welcome to day 8 of my tech learning journey. Today we are going to master SQL string functions. As you can see, these are some most commonly used string functions which are very useful in data cleaning. You can pause the video and look their syntax. Now, I have a student DB database in which I have a students table with the following columns. This is the data of my students table. Now, if I want all these names in a lowercase, then I can just use select query and I will pass the name column in lower function. And all the names are in lowercase. Now, if I want them in uppercase, I will use the upper function. So the output is in uppercase. Now I want the total length of the names. So I will use the length function and it will return the length of the names. After this, I want the first three letters of the names. So I will use the select query and the original name column and I will pass the name column in substring function. 1 here represent that I am starting from first character and 3 here represent that I am going to fetch only 3 characters from the string. If I execute this, you can see the first 3 characters of the names given as an output. If I make this 2 instead of 1, then it will start from second character and end till the second last character of Arav. So this is the result of substring query. Now I want output as name as well as department together. So I will use the concat function to join two strings. So I am going to pass the name column in concat function and the department column also so that these two can be joined together. And we are going to separate them with hyphen. If I execute this, Arav in computer science. Now in str function can be used to check if the department have a particular substring. Here we are checking for math. So in select query, I am going to pass department column in str function. And I am checking for math in department column. If I execute this, you can see that Arav don't have math in his subject, but Isha have it, and so on. Now I am using replace function to replace mathematics with maths. So I am passing the old string, which is mathematics, in my table, and I'm replacing mathematics with maths. If I execute this, so you can see wherever there was mathematics, now it's math. But this doesn't change the original table. If I execute select query, you can see there is still mathematics. If I want to change the original table, instead of select, I will use update command. If I execute this, and then I run the select query, you can see the mathematics it's now changed to maths.